AI coding tools are everywhere now, but most developers only use them for autocomplete. That's like buying a sports car and never leaving first gear. Today, I'll show you 5 workflows that actually change how you build software, from writing tests to debugging production issues to scaffolding entire features. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They focus on which AI tool to use, but the real productivity gains come from how you use them. A workflow is a repeatable pattern. You hit the same type of problem, you apply the same AI-assisted approach, and you get consistent results. The 5 workflows I'm about to share work with any major AI coding tool, whether that's Copilot, Cursor, Claude Code, or something else entirely. Workflow number 1 is test-first generation. Instead of writing code and then writing tests, you flip it. Describe what your function should do in plain English. Then ask your AI tool to generate a complete test suite for that behavior. Run the tests. They all fail, which is exactly what you want. Now ask the AI to write the implementation that makes every test pass. This isn't just faster. It produces better code because the AI has a clear specification to work against. The tests become your contract. And here's the bonus. You end up with full test coverage from day one, not as an afterthought. This workflow works especially well for utility functions, API endpoints, and data transformation logic. Workflow 2 is rubber duck debugging, supercharged. When you hit a bug, instead of staring at the code for an hour, paste the error message, the relevant code, and a brief description of what you expected to happen. The AI doesn't just suggest a fix. It explains why the bug is happening, which helps you learn and catch similar issues faster next time. The key is giving enough context. Include the stack trace, the input that triggered the error, and what the code is supposed to do. The more context you provide, the more accurate the diagnosis. This works for everything from cryptic type errors to race conditions to that one CSS layout bug that makes no sense. Workflow 3 is Codebase Queue, and this is a game changer for joining a new team or working with unfamiliar code. Instead of spending days reading through thousands of files, you have a conversation with the AI about the codebase. Ask it to explain the high-level architecture. Ask how data flows from the API layer to the database. Ask why certain patterns are used. Modern AI coding tools can read your entire project, so they can answer questions about your actual code, not generic examples. I use this workflow constantly. When I need to touch a part of the codebase I haven't worked in before, 5 minutes of Q&A gives me enough context to make changes confidently. Workflow 4 is incremental refactoring. Refactoring is where AI really shines because it's pattern-heavy work. But the key word is incremental. Don't ask the AI to refactor your entire module at once. Instead, identify one specific code smell, like duplicated logic, a function that's too long or inconsistent naming. Then ask the AI to fix just that one thing. Review the change, run your tests, and commit. Then move to the next issue. This keeps each change small and reviewable. If something breaks, you know exactly which refactoring step caused it. And because each step is simple, the AI gets it right almost every time. Big bang refactors are where AI makes mistakes. Incremental refactors are where it's nearly perfect. Workflow 5 is feature scaffolding. When you're building a new feature, there's usually a lot of boilerplate. Creating files, setting up routes, wiring up components, writing type definitions. This is tedious work that follows patterns your codebase already established. Describe the feature at a high level and let the AI generate the scaffolding. It creates the file structure, the boilerplate code, the type definitions, and the basic wiring. Then you focus your energy on the interesting part, the actual business logic that makes this feature unique. This workflow can save 30 minutes to an hour per feature, and the scaffolded code follows your existing patterns because the AI learned them from your codebase. Those are 5 AI coding workflows that go way beyond autocomplete. Test first generation, rubber duck debugging, code base Q&A, incremental refactoring, and feature scaffolding. Pick one, try it on your next task, and see the difference. If you found this useful, subscribe for more practical AI development content from AmtocSoft. See you in the next one.